Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best telescoping ladders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Louisville 6 feet fiberglass step ladder. This telescoping ladder has an amazing 300-pound weight capacity, and to add to that it is also elegantly designed with a smooth finish in every way possible. It is also at the same time very durable and reliable to use, especially with the molded top, which has a slot for handyman's tools. It's important to note that each step of this ladder is protected by 6 large head semi-tubular steel rivets to provide as much strength as possible and needed. The heavy-duty bottom makes sure to provide stability and grip while working with it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aliru portable telescopic extension ladder. This telescoping ladder comes with the measurements of 16, 8x2, each step, which can be easily adjusted in 1-foot increment, along with the option to fold in size, 37 inches by 19 inches x 6.7, and can also be extended with size, 16.5 ft x 19 inches x 6.7, just to give you a perspective. Please note that this is a 4-way combination ladder system with unique extension and locking mechanism options that can be easily triggered and used smoothly and effortlessly with just a few button clicks. It is also a European safety standard certified with a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, and along with that, it is also great for simple home maintenance like washing windows, coating non-reachable parts of walls with paint, and things of that nature. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products folding step ladder. With an amazing high-quality build of all rust-proof aluminum alloy, this is one best telescoping ladder that you can buy in the market. This ladder is so good that it has nearly 7 different functionality available, and on top of that, it can also easily manage a weight capacity of 330 pounds. It has an extended length option of around 11 feet and it comes in an amazing compact dimension of 10.75 L by 14.75 W by 39.75 H, respectively. Its functionalities also allow you to use it both indoors and outdoors with ease. At number 2, we have the aluminum telescoping loft ladder. Now, this is one of the best high-quality telescoping ladders out there in the market, and guess what? It is also cheap in price comparison with other ladders. This is a super lightweight and compact ladder, which eases the process of moving it and makes it easy to store or keep it folded in any place. It features the option to extend the usage length to around 12 points and can handle a weight capacity of 330 pounds. It is made up of aluminum, which provides it good durability and stability for a lifetime. And finally at number 1, we have the Cosco Multi-Positon ladder system. This is a particularly high-quality commercial-grade telescoping ladder, mainly because of its build quality from the high-grade aluminum materials, which makes it super strong and lightweight to carry around at the same time. The good thing about this is that it is a 5-in-1 convenient ladder which can be used as a step ladder, extension ladder, scaffold, stairway ladder, and wall ladder. It also features stable and slip-resistant rungs and feet for good gripping and safety of those who use it. This ladder comes with secure hinge design and large spring locking levers. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.